The motion graphics you are watching on your screen right now are not created using any video editing software. I have created all these with AI using text prompts, and that too 100% free. Well, with the availability of this AI tool, you do not need to learn complex video editing softwares, as we can make professional level motion graphics in seconds instead of hours. So stay with me till the end and I will show you everything step by step. Hey, I'm Amir Mushtaq from AI FUNDA. Let's get started. The tool we are going to use today is called Swishy AI. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search Swishy AI. Open very first website. Swishy has very simple interface just like ChatGPT. So first of all, let's click on sign up button to create a free account here. Well, you might see upgrade button here. Just ignore this because we are not going to upgrade it. This tool is completely free. This tool gives us two methods to create motion graphics. First is we use AI prompts to create motion graphics from scratch, and then they also offer some pre-built templates which we can use and customize them according to our needs. The best thing about this tool is allows us to upload our images and videos which we want to use in our motion graphics. This feature definitely helps us in creating custom and branded motion graphics. So first of all, let's see how we can create motion graphics using pre-built templates. Swishy offers us many kind of pre-built templates including text, graphics, overlays, logos, social media charts and many others. You can simply search them or you can go to your preferred category and choose your pre-built template. We have charts, we have simple logo animation, we have some complex here, we have typography, we have some for animation, and this one is like a full professional level motion graphic. We also have a template for location pop-up. Let's edit this one. Another best thing about Swishy is it offers us multiple aspect ratios. So you can simply click on 16 by 9 or 9 by 16 and it will convert it in your preferred aspect ratio. This is super simple and amazing. Now I want to edit this motion graphic, and you can see it says the location is San Francisco, California, US, but I want to change it to Pakistan. We have two ways. We can simply edit that here, or we can also ask AI to edit it. Simply click on duplicate template. We can change it from here, like I am going with Lahore, and you can see it's changing in real time, but I want AI to do it for me. So I will just go here and write replace San Francisco with Lahore, and then hit update, and you can see it's generating our new motion graphic. Well, it says it has updated our scene, and you can see here how accurately it has changed the location. Okay, fine. And there is a right side panel, and from this right side panel we can edit every single thing including font, colors, background, anything. And this also offers us some technical settings. You can see you can edit the scale of your elements, you can change the animation speed, you can change the pin size, this pin size, you can also change the glow intensity. So these settings vary from template to template. You can also edit the duration. All this 100% free. Now simply click on export and then click on 1080p MP4 and hit export, and you can see it's rendering our file. Well, the 4K option is not available, and I think 1080p is enough for most of the users. Now let's go back and create a motion graphic using AI. Now we can write prompts here, or we can use ChatGPT to write prompts for us. Let's head over to ChatGPT and ask it to write a prompt for us. I have just entered my prompt. I want an animated chart about score per over. So let's hit enter to get our prompt. If you want to upload our images or video, we can do from here. Here is another main thing. This mini is the AI model to create motion graphics. So the better the model is, the more good motion graphics will be. But for me, mini was so good. I tried it multiple times. I have created a lot of motion graphics using it, and it works perfect. You can also use starter, but it is limited. Mini is 100% free, so I'm going to select mini and then hit create. The prompt is so much complex. You can write simple prompts and it works best with them. Our animation is ready. Let's change the aspect ratio, and here you can see. So it's showing us every single thing. The overs are on the left side and we have scores right here, and you will see how professional this is. Let's play it again. So if you want to change anything, you can use this right side panel to change things. We have everything here. We have colors, we have background color, we have every single thing here. You can change the duration, we can change the animation style, we can change the animation speed directly from here. And once you are done with it, simply click on export, then click on MP4, 1080p and hit export. As you can see, our motion graphic is downloaded automatically. If you want to update anything, you can use this AI section to change it. You can see it will automatically update things for us. And if you want to create longer videos, you can simply click on add button to add more scenes in it. Now let's create a motion graphic with our reference images. So let's upload our images. So I have uploaded 5 images. Now I'm going to give my prompt, and the prompt is so simple. These are the logos of AI video generators. You just need to animate them, and all of those will come from different directions of the screen, and the shape should be bubble. So you can see the shape is so different. We are asking you to add some bubbles in it, and then the bubbles should be bouncing. Now let's use this starter model for this and hit create. Our animation is ready. Let's change the aspect ratio and play it. You can see how amazing this is. If you want to change anything, you can actually change it from here. Icon sizes, you can change it from here. It did not added any bubbles, but it definitely added some kind of background to it, but the bubbles are not here. And if you want to change the bounce intensity, you can change that. You can change the speed. I'm going to increase the speed, and the icons are set. If you want to increase that, now let's play it again. And you can see how amazing this is. If you want to change anything, you ask this AI to change it for you. This AI tool is literally so much amazing. There are lots of other tools for motion graphics available, but this one is completely free and the results are amazing. Well, that's it from today's video. Hopefully you have enjoyed it. If yes, make sure to give a thumbs up and make sure to join our WhatsApp community, because on our WhatsApp community we provide a lot of premium stuff completely free, including premium methods and courses. If you have any question or suggestion, be sure to drop that in the comment section below, and make sure to subscribe our channel for more interesting AI tutorials. I will see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye, peace out.